Hello aspirants, and let's talk about the World Center of Marine Biodiversity, which is also known as the Coral Triangle. But before that, Competition Kerala is a crash course for all the aspirants to the upcoming APSC prelims exam babe preparation cholai ase. So our batch size is very limited and our early bird offer etao ase. So ei offer to avail koribor babe sonkale contact korok nohole ei video tur tolat eta comment to eribo pare. Now coming back to Coral Triangle. Coral Triangle, Western Pacific Ocean or etu region located hoy ase. It includes parts of Indonesia, Malaysia, Papua New Guinea, the Philippines, Solomon Islands aru logote Timor Leste. But a Coral Triangle bishoye no baru ami kyo porhi asu ba jonatu no baru kyo dorkar. Well, it is because it is one of the 3 mega ecological complexes of the earth. A coral triangle ami pao world's 76% of coral species. Yate 6 out of 7 world's marine turtle species ase. Mangrove forest, reef fishes are logote bohuto other marine life. And number 3 is that it is under threat. He karne it is very important for us to know the coral triangle no ki hoy, kot ase and how to conserve it. So that is all for today. Aru jua agote ako ebar monot pelai disu amar crash course start hobole goi ase from 8th of January. So 8th of January agote sonkale enroll korok.